So this is the area I've been cleaning up today. Uh, Removed most of the branches from this rosemary tree that was really struggling. Clean up the whole area. I have 3 plants here which I will plant in other place, but I clean up the whole area here. I'll just show it's a huge area. All weed is gone, everything's struggling. It's gone. I removed one of those hellebores, and there is more chew that I need to remove later. And these hellebores I planted last year, they will stay here, but I need to clean up this area a little bit better. But now I'm running out of time to do it, but it's looking a lot better than it was. A lot better. Still there's a lot of grass here to be removed, but it's looking a lot better now. And this area is the area where I'm gonna put some hostas and some hydrangeas as well. I think it's gonna be beautiful. We have a few trees here. These two are blue oceans, and then we have a gerontoix on the other side. And I think it will be just nice. And now I need to work in this soil to amend it and get planting, which is much better. Alright, so I'll see you guys later.